This is Biotronix Shockwave therapy device. You can see this is the premium model with the bigger touchscreen display. You can see, and this is the designing body of the same. And the same come with the ultrasound therapy also. So it is the shockwave plus ultrasound therapy combination. And you can see this is the carry box. You need to keep all the accessories over here to be safe and secure. And this is the attachment. This is the probe of shockwave, you can see, and this is the probe of ultrasound. You can see this is ultrasound, gold plated. And now I will give you the demo of the device. Before that, I will explain you further about the device. This is the probe of the shockwave, and shockwave energy is 0.5 bar to 12 bar. So while other models in the market is having up to 10 bar or 8 bar, we are importing the latest model, advanced technology, up to 12 bar. So this is the probe. You can see the bullet travel from here to there, and when it strikes the surface, because of it travels from here to there because of compression and the pressure of the compression that is created in the device, and because of that it strikes the surface and generates the shock wave. And while other bullets in the shock waves gives you around 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh shots, this bullet provides you around 3 lakh to 4 lakh shots per bullet. So there is one bullet inside the probe, you can see, and there are 4 spare bullets we are providing with the same. So there are total 5 bullets. These are the 4 spare bullets. So while the other models in the market don't provide the spare bullets, or they just provide 1 or 2 spare bullets, we are providing 4 extra spare bullets, and one in the device. So total 5 extra bullets, total 5 bullets, and you are getting around 18 lakh to 22 lakh shots from the device, which is the maximum in the market. So while other models in the market gives around 10 lakh to 12 lakh shots. So after that you can consume buy the bullet and then can use the shockwave. And this is the head we are providing. This is one of the head. There are 7 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are total 7 heads. There are total 7 different heads with the device. You can see there are total 7 different heads with the device. So these are the 7 different heads, 2 for the ED and other for the physiotherapy. So now I will give you the demo of the device. This accessory box can be locked and with the key that can be used. And now I am starting on the device. You can see, you will get the screen. You need to touch anywhere in the screen. It asks for the input code. Default input code is 00000, and you can also modify the code, and you can provide the same to the person who will have to be the use that device, who will to whom you will give you the permission to use the device. And so this is the password protected device, and 00000. This is the default password. Now I got the screen shockwave ultrasound. You can see this is the shockwave section. I just selected the shockwave section: elbow, knee, shoulder, hip, pubic, hand, lumbar, foot. So you are getting these 8 physiotherapy treatment area, different joints and all, and one for the ED, erectile dysfunction, and one for the fat accumulation, slimming. So total there are 10 protocols, from which 8 protocols is for the physiotherapy, and one for the ED, erectile dysfunction, and one for the fat accumulation. Now I am selecting the one of the region. This is the section, hand section, and you can see these are the various parameters over here. The one in the yellow is 1 and 2. These are the 2 applicators that is suggested for the wrist joint, which we have selected. So the image shown with the highlighted yellow color is a suggested one, and the shots is at 2000 to 2500, session 5 to 7. These are the suggestions given for the particular treatment, and these are the pre-select energy and frequency and all the parameters. Doctor can use the same as a suggestion, or you can use the same too. But if the doctor want to vary the same according to the treatment or patient condition, patient muscle tissue and everything, and patient case and all, doctor can vary the same. And this is the pre-selection timer, which can we can go up to 5,000 shots. While other models in the market is having up to 3,000 or 2,500 shots, but this model advanced latest we are providing up to 5,000. This is the current section. This is the current means once I start the device, it will give me the shots, and the shot will be counted up. So that this is the counter section who will count the shots we are getting from the treatment, and once the same will reach around 5,000, the device will be stopped and the treatment will be over. So this is the frequency section, which we can go up to 1 to 22 hertz. While other models in the market is providing up to 16 hertz, with this advanced latest model is having 22 hertz. Energy, other models in the market is providing up to 8 bar maximum or 10 bar maximum, and this advanced technology is providing you 12 bar as a maximum. So you can see this can go up to 12 bar. So now I will give you the demo of the device. I will start the shockwave and show you the demo. I am using the same on my hand, so I will put the energy bar as the 5 to 6 because 12 bar is too much for my hand tissue area. That may cause injury to me. So I am starting the same to 6. I will show you the same. Then I will remove my hand and will increase the intensity to maximum and show you the difference. Start the same. I need to put that switch. The device will be started. I'm taking the shockwave on my hand. I'm getting the maximum intensity and I'm also getting shock on my hand. Now I am decreasing the frequency. You can see the change in the frequency shockwave. So 6.5 is quite more for me. That is why I am removing my hand and I have decreased the same. So now I am removing my hand and making the same to the maximum. I am increasing the intensity now. Frequency now. You can see the variation. If I want to stop the same in between the treatment, this is the counter which is counting the shot. You can see this is the counter which is counting the shot. If I want to stop the treatment in between, I need to press that key. And if you want to resume the same, I need to press the key. So you can see these are the shots I am getting. Now I am stopping the same. I am going to the ultrasonic section. I need to press the same, go back, ultrasound section. As ultrasound can't be seen via video or by naked eye, so to show the presence of ultrasound, I am putting some water on the same. When ultrasonic waves will pass through the same, it will evaporate, it will produce cavitation effect, and that will evaporate the water, and that show the presence of ultrasonic waves. Now I am putting some water on the ultrasound. I have entered the ultrasonic section. Now I will start the same. You can see as I am increasing the intensity, you can see water is getting evaporated. Intensity is maximum, so don't use the ultrasound without contact of body or water because that may damage the crystal in the air. So always use the ultrasound with some water on it for testing or with the contact of the body like this. Keep on removing, keep revolving. So if you will use the same without being touch and intensity is maximum or something like that, that crystal may damage and the applicator will become faulty. So there are 5 different modes: continuous and pulse, auto mode, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. So these are the 5 modes. So this is the demo of the ultrasonic section. Now I am stopping the same. Stop, back. So let me brief the same. This is the combination of shockwave therapy and ultrasound. Shockwave is 0.5 bar to 12 bar, where the frequency is 1 to 22 hertz. Uh, uh, Also, we are getting 7 different interchangeable head in the shockwave. There are 1 bullet in the handle and 4 spare bullets, so total as 5 bullets. We are getting 18 lakh to 20 lakh shots from the device with the 5 bullets. Per bullet will give you around 3 lakh to 4 lakh shot. And we are getting gel, we are getting the same in the accessories box. And this is the premium model with the bigger touchscreen. You can see the password protected device. Also, the ultrasound is 1 megahertz, where there are 5 modes with the continuous and pulse, and this is the combination unit. So that was the demo for the device. Thank you for watching.